We built Cherty for finding data and code and combining them into reproducible pipelines. Now we want to talk to you about how to apply this to geospatial workflows. So here's an example of a Cherty graph. Some data comes in on the left, it runs through a transformation, and then a result comes out on the right. Say we select this input, the project area. This takes us to a screen where we can choose the data source. We can choose the channels we want from that data source, and we can either use a GeoJSON file to specify the area or draw it manually. So say we select this field, Cherty will then look for data within the time range that we specified and use that as the input into this function. So next we want to choose this function. We can search for different functions that are available. We can filter based on whether these machine learning models are open source or whether they're royalty free or what the cost is. We want to choose this crop classifier here. Now, once we've set up the input data and the function or the transformation that we actually want to use on that data, we can then specify the infrastructure that we want to run this on, as well as the environment that we're going to have this model run in. Once we hit run, we'll get the output from the console, and then we get the result and can do what we want with that result. The result brings along with it the entire context of the data and the code that was used to generate it. So that's useful for data provenance and reproducing results later on. We want to understand what your geospatial data workflow looks like and whether something like this is useful. So please follow the link to tell us, and you'll get free credit on the platform when it launches. Thanks.